stunt driver Joey Chitwood doing J-turns and driving on two wheels in what amounted to be a giant commercial for Chevrolet. What really interested young Kim was motorcycle stunts. Guys would smash this shows a broken hand, fractured pelvis, and a concussion. He's also burned very badly from when the motorcycle landed on top of him. Despite his injuries, he called NBC from the hospital to tell them not to run his boat because he was going to do another jump.
This is just shitty craftsman. You know, you didn't take the time to clean. You could have steam jennied it, anything first. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick look. I'll give you more as we tear everything apart. But everything we take apart is just rust under it. That is the clamp where the brake line goes. That's just rust under it. So, same with anything in the suspension, and the brake, and the front end. These are other parts, and they just do not take it apart. They're just rust under it. So, alright. We're going to tear it all down. I'll show you after we tear it down. Parts and have fun for a while, or I gotta help you?
No, I got this.
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna do something real quick. You got a good shot?
Yes. Oh, wow, that is rather...
So, this is what happens to gear oil over time. Because you are supposed to change your gear oil, fun fact. Every couple of years, I think. So this is all congealed up in there. Gears look really good. Actually, the gears look super good. I haven't rotated the axles because they're on wheel chucks. But that's what's going on in there. Doesn't look like there's any teeth missing. I'd say a good cleanup and check and she'd be good to go.
Oh, hold on, I can't stretch. You can pull back, it's not. Yeah, we'll take this whole part apart. It's all got to come apart. It's full of sand. From them glass beating it, when they glass beat it and painted it this way, we took it apart. It was all handful.